Hi everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you're looking to take control over when your iPhone updates its software or apps, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic updates on your iPhone so you can decide when and how your device gets updated. Let's get straight into it. First, to stop your iPhone from automatically updating its iOS software, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Software Update. Here, you'll see an option called Automatic Updates. Tap on that, and you'll see two toggles. Download iOS updates and install iOS updates. To stop your iPhone from downloading or installing updates automatically, simply toggle both of these off. This way, you'll be notified when a new update is available, but it won't be installed until you choose to do so manually. Next, let's talk about app updates. To turn off automatic updates for your apps, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on App Store. In this section, you'll see an option called App Updates under Automatic Downloads. Toggle this off, and your apps will no longer update automatically. You'll need to manually update each app through the App Store whenever you want to install the latest version. Remember, by turning off these automatic updates, you're taking control over when your iPhone and apps get updated. This can be useful if you prefer to wait before installing a new update, or if you want to avoid unexpected data usage. However, keep in mind that you'll need to stay on top of updates manually to ensure your device and apps stay secure and run smoothly. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily manage your iPhone's updates on your own terms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. See you guys later.